Your mind, a vast and mysterious landscape filled with infinite potential, a treasure trove waiting to be unlocked. Its secrets and possibilities are endless. Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, where we delve into the depths of your mind and unleash its hidden power. Imagine this. You wake up every day going through the motions, living a life that feels stagnant and unfulfilled. You long for something more, a sense of purpose and fulfillment. You yearn to tap into the boundless potential within you, but you're unsure of where to begin. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your hidden power lies within your own mind? What if I revealed to you that your mind is a limitless treasure trove waiting to be explored? Intriguing, isn't it? In this video, we will show you the steps to discovering and embracing your true potential, igniting a spark within you that will set your life on an extraordinary path. Before we embark on this transformative journey, we kindly request you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated with our latest content that will help you unlock the limitless potential within you. Now let's begin. The first step on your path to self-discovery and embracing your true potential is self-reflection and inner awareness. To unlock your hidden power, you must take the time for self-reflection. Set aside a quiet moment amidst the chaos of everyday life. Find a comfortable space where you can be alone with your thoughts. Reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Dive deep into the depths of your being, exploring your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and dreams. Ask yourself thought-provoking questions like, what brings me joy and fulfillment? And what are my core values? As you reflect, pay attention to your emotions and physical sensations. Notice what activities and experiences make you feel alive and energized, as well as those that drain your energy or bring you dissatisfaction. By observing your responses, you will gain valuable insights into what truly matters to you. Now that you have embraced self-reflection, it's time to move on to the next step on this incredible journey. Imagination is the gateway to unlocking your hidden potential. It is the spark that ignites creativity, innovation, and a world where possibilities are limitless. Allow your mind to wander, to dream, and to imagine. Embrace the power of imagination by exploring new ideas, visualizing your goals, and thinking outside of the box. This is where breakthrough ideas are born, where innovation thrives, and where you discover the vast potential within you. With self-reflection and imagination as your guides, you are now ready to unlock your hidden power. But remember, this is just the beginning of your journey. Now that you have gained a deeper understanding of yourself through self-reflection and embraced the power of imagination, it's time to set meaningful goals. Setting goals gives you direction and purpose, propelling you towards realizing your true potential. To set meaningful goals, consider your values, passion, and dreams. What do you truly want to achieve in your life? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Write these goals down, making them tangible and concrete. Ensure that your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals. This framework will help you stay focused and accountable. Break down your goals into smaller, achievable steps, making them less overwhelming and more manageable. As you embark on your journey towards your goal, remember to stay flexible and open to new opportunities and experiences. Adjust your path as needed, allowing for growth and adaptation along the way. A growth mindset is crucial when seeking to unlock your hidden power. It is the belief that you can develop and improve your abilities through dedication, effort, and continuous learning. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Instead of shying away from difficulties, approach them with curiosity and a desire to learn. Embrace setbacks as learning experiences and use them as stepping stones towards your goals. Become aware of your negative self-talk patterns and the specific phrases or thoughts that contribute to them. Acknowledge that negative thoughts are not based on reality and can hinder your progress. Once you have identified negative self-talk, challenge the validity of those thoughts. Ask yourself if there is any evidence to support these negative beliefs. Often, you'll find that they are based on assumptions or distortions. Transform negative thoughts into positive ones by reframing them. Replace self-critical statements with encouraging and constructive affirmations. For example, instead of saying, "I'll never be able to do this," replace it with, "I am capable and will figure out how to overcome this challenge." Surround yourself with positive influences and role models. Seek out mentors who can guide and inspire you on your journey. Learn from the successes and failures of others, incorporating their wisdom into your own growth. All the self-reflection, imagination, goal setting, and mindset shift mean nothing if you do not take action. Action is the catalyst that transforms your dreams into reality. Start by breaking your goals down into actionable steps. Create a plan and schedule to keep yourself accountable. Celebrate small victories along, recognizing your progress and staying motivated. Do not let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Take calculated risks, step out of your comfort zone, and embrace opportunities for growth and learning. Remember that progress is not always linear. There will be setbacks and obstacles along the way. Use these as learning experiences and moments for self-reflection. Adjust your course if needed, but never give up on your dreams and your journey towards unlocking your hidden power. If you found this video insightful and empowering, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would love to accompany you on your manifestation journey. We also invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Let us know how self-reflection, imagination, goal setting, and a growth mindset have helped you tap into your limitless potential. As we conclude, we send you our heartfelt blessings for your manifestation journey. May your mind be a beacon of light, guiding you towards the realization of your true potential. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embrace the endless possibilities that lie within your mind.